What's up, guys? This is Casey and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be discussing the different stock trading strategies that a lot of people use to make money in the stock market. Now when it comes to stock trading, you have predominantly three main stock strategies that people use to make money in the stock market. Today we're going to be discussing the different strategies, what they are, how to take advantage of them, and we're going to be discussing what my personal favorite is and what I use to make the most money. So let's just kind of hop into this. Now, when it comes to stock trading as a whole, you have these basic strategies, and it's going to be from short term to long term. The shortest term strategy is actually let's do the other way around. Let's start from the long term to short term. So obviously the long term is just the long term investor. So whether it's the big Warren Buffetts or the George Soros, or just yourself buying a share of Apple, long term investor, you buy and you hold. Then you have what are called more like the intermediate traders or investors, if you will. They're kind of a quasi. So they will buy stock for the anticipation of it moving up or down for, I'd say, for a few months. So you like a good pattern over a period, or like a monthly pattern or a multi-weekly pattern. You want to buy stock with anticipation of selling over a period of a few weeks. They're more of I'd say a long-term trader, if you will. Then you have the swing traders, and swing traders are very similar to the intermediate long-term traders in the sense that they are looking to purchase a stock for, let's say, for either a couple of days to a few weeks to maybe even a month. And after that, you have basically a day trader. Actually, even before a day trader, you have a strategy to where you have people that just buy overnight and holds. So they will buy overnight and they will sell the next day. Technically not a day trade, it's a swing trade, but it's teetering on the day trade, swing trade level. Then after that, you have the ones that you guys see on the front pages of all of the YouTube trading channels, which are the day trades. And that's kind of self-explanatory. So you have the people who are looking to buy a stock, enter a position, or short a stock, and get out of the position in the same day. And then you have a more detailed day trade strategy where you have scalpers. And scalpers are people that purchase a stock and they're looking to get out of the stock within seconds. So literally they will buy a stock off of a support level and they will sell that stock in literally seconds. And you ask yourself, well, why would you do that? Well, typically those scalpers are they're trading with large position sizes. Like they're trading with 50,000, 75,000, 100,000, sometimes more large position sizes, and they're more comfortable with taking advantage of small imbalances in the buy and sell orders, so that's where they make their money. So what strategy do I feel most confident in when it comes to buying stocks? I would say personally, I am certainly a swing to long-term investor. If I'm being real with myself and with my audience, I'm actually more of a swing trader. And what I mean by that is that basically I like to look at patterns for stocks that have been consolidating or that are showing patterns over a weekly or even a multi-day period that is going to make money. Let me give you an example. So particularly here at Tesla, right? So let's go to let's take a look at let's go to the daily for a second. Let's just take a look. And I'm just using Tesla as just an example because it's a very volatile stock. It's on everyone's radar and people like it. All right. So if we take a look at Tesla from a swing trading standpoint, I mean, these are obvious levels where I would try to buy, right? Swing traders and really any kind of traders, the name of the game is to always, always, always buy off of support levels. Now, if you guys are not familiar with support levels, please go back and watch some of our previous technical videos that talk about day trading and investing indicators with that, because it's going to address and discuss how to buy off support levels, trading ranges, trend lines, things of that nature. But I am going to be discussing a little bit of that in this video as well. So with this, I like to swing trade. And so let's just take a look at Tesla, for example. So it's been going up and up and up and up and up. And then I see a nice little pullback, and let's say I maybe would try to buy here off of this 20-day. Is that the 20? Yes, the 20-day. And okay, maybe it falls down. So I go, damn, I'm upside down here, right? Now a day trader would probably have sold out of this position, have taken a big loss. this would not have been a bad buy. But you don't know if it's going to bounce up or not, right? So if you're day trading, you're going to take a big loss on this. You're like, okay, do I buy here? I don't know. I think I'm going to wait to see if it's going to hit in the support level. You probably buy down here again. You add to your position, it bounces up, and then you're able to get some of the money back. If you're day trading, you don't get this. If you're scalping, then you're looking to take advantage of those intraday support levels to make money off of. And the same thing applies for day trading. So you go here and you're looking to try to make money off of support levels. I don't know why this chart here is so flat. Let me go back here and see if I can. There we go. You know, you're looking to either buy reverses of like a 9-day moving average, or you're looking to buy off of support, meaning, okay, so this has been below a trend line for a while. Let's go to the hourly so this looks a little cleaner. Here we go. So let's say if you wanted to buy off the hourly, you're just watching, and then, you know, you see this, you know, come down here, and off of the 50-day, you want to buy here, off the 20-day. Now keep in mind, on an hourly time chart, that obviously you're looking for, you know, there's only what, 6 hours in a day in a trading a session, so you're not really going to make, you know, you're not really trading off of the hourly because that's a more of a swing trade strategy. But if you go to the 5-minute, right, and maybe Tesla isn't the best example for an intraday right now, just simply because of how it's trading. But if we go over here, let's say maybe you want to buy off of the 200-day moving average, excuse me, which is a good level that day traders try to make money off of. Or sometimes they'll even go to the 1 minute and try to make money by buying off of the 200 or 100 or so forth. So it really all just depends on what your comfortability level is. The reason that I don't day trade personally, and I'll tell you why, you know, on this channel, guys, I'm not about trying to sell you all a pipe dream. A lot of guys on YouTube will do that because it's fun, it's hip, it's quick money, it's the rush. But you have to understand that you're trading against highly intelligent algorithms. The stock patterns that you all see on stock charts, they are not there on accident. They're not just random patterns. Okay. When it comes to, let's choose Apple here. Okay. When it comes to intraday trading, you are trading against highly complex algorithms that institutions and hedge funds, companies that literally have billions and billions of dollars, right, have paid programmers and have just literally borderline AI to buy trades. And they're looking for support levels like we are looking for, resistance levels. They know buy orders. They know the levels of the buy orders and levels. I mean, you're trading against very complex stuff. And so it is extremely hard to consistently make money day trading because the algorithms know where people want to buy it and want to sell it. And so I've been doing this for over 10 years, and I find that while you can make money day trading, it's all about position sizing. And so I find that when it comes to making money, the swing trading is significantly better. And let me show you why. So if you're looking to swing trade, right, the patterns are more intermediate when it comes, and they're more reliable, and it allows you to not get shaken out. If you're day trading, literally you're going to get shaken out within minutes, right? And it'll go past the support level, then oh my god, it's going to dump, and then you sell out and freak out, and the next thing you know, it rolls back up. And it happens consistently to everybody that I know. If you're swing trading, then you are waiting on a daily pattern in order to take advantage of a position, of a movement. So let me show you what I mean by this. So let's say, you know, here we go here back in this, December 29th, Apple was, you know, and again, you don't understand when it's going to pull back, but you wait and you just take a look here and say, okay, great, I want to buy up the support level. Then 50-day, that's a nice buy, right? You take a look here for 1, 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6 hours, 7 hours, you're kind of in the money a little bit, right? If it turns around and it reverses on you, then you want to go ahead and try to buy up this support level here. How long did it take for that to happen? That was 1 day. And that was basically 1 day for that. You would make money off this. You wait, and then okay, so you turn around here, and either you decide to sell out or you decide to add to your position. I just find that this works out a lot more than day trading. So that's what I do, guys. Those are the strategies. Do I always make money? No, I don't. Do I take losses, such as, even on the hourly, looking at something like this? Yes. I would have tried to buy off the 200 here, nice little position size, and I probably would have taken a little loss. If I'm patient, over a period of days, maybe I get my money back. But again, when it comes to trading, swing trading is absolutely, definitely the way to go. Now, you know what beats swing trading? Investing. Now, that's something that a lot of people don't want to discuss, but the reason that investing is so important is because I have been trading for over 10 years now, and I can consistently tell you that time in the market actually does beat timing the market for all the very reasons that I've discussed. It's algorithms, it's hedge funds, it's people that and institutions that have billions of dollars that understand that where people want to buy it, and they are just waiting for everyone to hop in, and then they dump it. And so just by buying consistently pullbacks and position sizing, that is why it's so important. And in my another video, I'm going to also start discussing position sizing and just why that's so big. I can't tell you guys how much money I've lost in the tens of thousands of dollars when I started trading initially years ago because I didn't position size. I wanted to YOLO. I wanted to go ahead and take my whole $1,000 or $2,000-$3,000 and put it on penny stocks or small cap stocks and over-the-counter stocks, and then I would literally either make $1,000 the next day and then lose it all the day after. And so after doing that consistently over a period of a long time, I learned that position sizing is so important because you could literally be right 5 or 6 or 7 times in a row, but that 8th time when you YOLO, you lose out all your gains. And so it is about being consistently right and keeping your losses small. And the only way that you can do that is if you position size. That's why it's so important. The big hedge funds, the big boys, they all do it. That's pretty much it, guys. So I wanted to keep this video short and sweet. Again, I will be having follow-up videos. I do need you all's input, though. I do need to know if this video is helpful, and I do want to know what you guys think about this, and also what videos you all would like me to continue to upload and discuss to help you all with your investing and your trading. So don't be shy. Just leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys would like to have discussed in the upcoming videos. Hopefully this is very helpful for you, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Also, one last thing I want to let you guys know as well. As you already know, I am a big user of WeBull. They do not sponsor my videos, but I do actually have a referral link if you guys want to support the channel. If you haven't already have a WeBull account, they are offering right now up to 4 free stocks if you create an account and actually fund the account for just $100, which is basically nothing. I mean, if you're going to have any kind of trading or investing, day trading, I mean, $100 is just minimum standard if you're not trading with more than that. So if you guys want to support the channel, sign up below using the link. Help support the channel. Obviously, any kind of the proceeds and things like that will kind of go back to the channel, that kind of help grow and make better content for you all. And I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye.